What's up, guys? I am back with another video. Today, I promised you guys in my first video that I will be doing a Nerf War on Friday, but that got canceled to this Friday. So, now it's Friday, and I got my Nerf gear on, as you can see. So, I'm just about to go, so, I'm just doing a quick intro before I'm gonna go, and, lots of my friends are going to be there, and as I said, it was Kyan's birthday. If you guys didn't know, you're just watching this video just to, watch this video. I am at my house right now, and, I'm going to vlog the Nerf gun war, and I'm going to do it after. I'm going to do a little vlog after, too. So, well, not like separate vlog, it's going to be the exact same thing, just I'm going to, put them together. So, yeah, I will see you guys at the Sally Borden. Guys, I am here at the Nerf gun war, got my Nerf gun stuff. I'll just hold it in this hand, if you guys don't mind that. So, yeah, let's get to this. Gotcha, Seth! Are you following me? Never mind. Give it up, guys. Ow, 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 ow. Stop it! I bonked you in the head, Zach. Reload. You have a phone? Yeah. Hi. Alright. Let's do this. I don't even care who's my teammate or not. Wait. I think I forgot. Just gonna take my mask off here. That was good. Alright. Got the rival polo here. It's pretty cool, pretty good gun.
Capture the flag!
That's Shay. We're just waiting. Oh, capture the flag. Yeah, I'm just gonna vlog this, and that'll be it. And oh yeah, my friend here, Shay, right here.
Yeah.
He got the Terror Scout. I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
This monster thing. So yeah, just gonna punk the guys and back. So we're gonna be playing Capture the Flag, and I just said earlier I am gonna be going with Capture the Flag. Sketch. That's my friend Kyan. It's his birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna pause it right when I'm gonna pause it and come back to you guys right when it starts. By the way, guys, I might just put my camera down here, just down here, just like that, for a little bit. So, yeah. Hey guys, my friend Owen, right here, we're right there. If you guys can see him. Hi. I'll be setting the camera up there just to see if it looks good there. It's good, right? Yep. Okay, we're gonna start this game right now. We're the Orange Bros. And they're the blue fuckers.
Orange team, when you're ready, down here.
No!
Blue team over in that corner. In that corner. Far corner. Orange team, in this corner. Safety goggles on.
Yeah.
Five. Then you get out of there. Blue team that corner. Orange team this corner.
4 seconds, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, the game's on. We're wide open. Let's go.
get hit, go to the corner and back in. Charles has got the flag, he's going to win. Oh, blue team win, 1-0.
Alright guys, this is gonna point. I'm gonna stop the video there. Just gonna have a talk with you after it. We're gonna have a sleepover and his event enemy. I'll see you guys in just a little bit.
Yeah, a couple minutes.
No, not a couple minutes, like maybe
Seconds?
No, wait,
Couple hours?
like maybe half an hour, maybe more. Okay, see ya. I'm back. So, this is just gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. You should go down and smash that like button, and that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.